In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page on canva.com. You don't know what is Canva. Canva is a photo and video editing software you can use right now. It's absolutely for free. So this link I will attach in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first of all, go to canva.com, then log in with your Gmail, and here are type of landing page. So this landing page, you are able to add affiliate link with any link. It's absolutely for free. So here are filter. Just click on here, then go scroll down, then scroll down, topic math. If you are choose any type of, then choose preschool, kindergarten, business, that's anything you are able to choose. So this is a paid version I use right now. When you use free version, you got here a filter. You can able to filter free or paid. So choose a landing page of your related niche. Example of I want to create it this niche. So I want to customization this one. Just click on here. This is really good. You can change anything, any font, any link, everything are customizable. So I write kalam. This is my name. So homepage, service, pricing, about us, everything are customizable. So client to, you can also add a page here. So choose a page, example of this one. So apply for page. Wow, this is also gorgeous website. So then once you have done everything, just click on share button, then public view link. So create public view link, just click here, then your link are copy successfully. Then I'm going to another web page, then paste my code. Once you have clicked, then you are redirect this web page. I again repeat, everything are customizable. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.